Hello everyone, I hope that you're having a great time. At this video at LearnTech, I'm going to show you Windows 11. Yes, you heard it right. Windows 11, it haven't been yet released, but it looks like in a way or in another way, some people have managed to take Windows 11, and I managed also to take this Windows 11 and I have installed it, and I want to show to you guys how does Windows 11 looks. In this video, I'm just going to show you how Windows 11 looks. I'm going to show you the graphical user interface, settings, and some new feature of Windows 11. But we'll go through everything in the next videos. We'll explain all the new features of Windows 11 in the next steps. I'll let you guys enjoy this. And please leave your comments below. What do you think about Windows 11? For me personally, I don't see a lot of difference between previous Windows, let's say in terms of settings and all this. I can see that Windows 11 have changed the graphic user interface. Somehow it reminds me Windows NT, but let's see how it will be the official Windows 11. So basically guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I didn't want to bother you with a lot of comments regarding this video, but we will talk regarding a lot of things regarding Windows 11 once it is officially published and once everybody can easily download and install on your computers. I have the operating system of Windows 11, but I don't want to distribute right now because it's not official, and it's better if you guys wait till Windows 11 have been officially released. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe. Wish to you all the best. Thank you.